How's it going, YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r back with another cleaning episode for Shoe Care Academy. Today we will be cleaning this pair of New Balance Joe Fresh goods. I recently learned about Joe Fresh from our videographer Fran in Chicago. Joe Fresh Goods is the creative director and designer from the west side of Chicago. New Balance are on the come up. If you guys are rocking New Balance, if you like New Balance, let me know what your favorite New Balance is below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. We got new videos every Monday and Thursday and working on some new stuff for you as well. So without further ado, let's get started. The products we'll be using today are going to be our essential kit. Don't mind that. Our essential kit that comes with 3 brushes, 4-ounce bottle of cleaning solution and a towel, and our dry suede kit. So our dry suede kit comes with the suede brush and the suede eraser. That's going to be good for the leather trim and the suede trim on these shoes. I've never cleaned these before. Sometimes New Balances can be challenging to clean. So really, we're just going to go for it and see what happens. And you guys will see, just like us, how well these clean up. For before and after purposes, we will take this shoe and set it aside. I'll be cleaning the right shoe today. So first thing I'm going to do is take these laces out. I'm just going to set these aside right here. Let me know in the comment section below if you actually own a pair of New Balance, if you've ever even worn a pair. New Balance are very, very comfortable typically. I highly recommend at least owning 1 or 2 pairs of New Balance if you're into sneakers. So really what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the shoe tree, adjust it to size. I think Fran's in an 11 and 11 and a half, 11, 11 and a half. So we'll just put it right there. Put this into the shoe. Now we can apply pressure on the toe box for a better cleaning. Now let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is probably brush off some of this excess dirt. Fran likes to explore abandoned buildings, so maybe we'll pop some of that up in the video, shout out his YouTube channel for him. So the brush that I'm gonna be using to knock off some of this excess dirt is the medium bristle, and we're just gonna go ahead and see if we can get this dirt off so I don't create a muddy mess. A muddy mess?
Red leather, yellow leather.
Red leather, yellow leather. Say that 10 times fast. Red leather, yellow leather. I needed to do that before because we don't want to make messy muddies. Okay, after brushing the dirt off of these, what I'm going to attempt to do is do kind of a strategic clean on these. I'm gonna attempt to just clean the suede with the suede eraser. I'm gonna try to not get the suede wet, only because different suedes just reacts different to water. So I'm not sure, because I've never cleaned this, if it's gonna ruin the suede material or if it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna attempt to clean it with just this first, and then use the brush to clean the midsoles and then some of this mesh netting. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna go back to the drawing board and I'll just clean the entire shoe with our brushes and solution. So first step in this process, let's try the suede eraser, see if this works, and then we'll move on to the next. Okay, so after going over this shoe with the suede eraser, I actually asked Johnny Bubbles to go to Mini Worlds, our sneaker store here, just to grab a new pair of these so we could compare. So he went, grabbed it. I realized that the color is just so off because they're so dirty. They're way more dirty than I thought they were. That you see, this is just a totally different color in general. This is a much more vibrant brown. This is more of a peach color, and this is just super dirty. So I am just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna use the cleaning solution and brushes, get that dirt from out behind this material, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So we'll hold on to this. We can compare the clean version to the new one as well when we're done. So I'll set this aside. All right, we're gonna start the cleaning process with our solution and water. We have our drying rack with bowl combo. suggest you go pick one of those up. It's a great way to store your products and your brushes so they don't get damaged or anything. And then you have a bowl that's always handy. A couple squirts. It's new. Okay, good to go there. So now I've already committed. I have to clean the entire shoe evenly. You definitely, anytime you're cleaning suede, want to clean the entire shoe evenly so you don't leave watermarks. So I just finished cleaning the entire shoe with the soft bristle brush. It looks pretty good, but I'm gonna move on to the medium bristle brush now. I'm gonna clean the midsoles, and I'm gonna hit some of this toe box that still has some dark staining on the suede. Again, until they dry, we won't know exactly how they're gonna look, but I'm hopeful that these things are gonna look great. So without further ado, let's go to the next step. So I just finished with the medium brush cleaning the undersoles and the midsole. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the stiff bristle brush while this water is dirty. Do the same thing, then I'll get new water and we'll be good to go. So we clean the midsoles and undersole with the stiff bristle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go back over the uppers, but before I do that, I need new water, so let's get some new water. I'm gonna go ahead and use the medium bristle brush again, but this time I'm gonna go over the suede, just more gently with this one, and really on the spots that I see a lot of dirt. These shoes were way dirtier than I originally thought after looking at the new ones. Suede, unfortunately, you just never know how it's gonna react with water and the cleaning solution. New Balance typically, though, uses good materials in their products, so I'm hopeful that these will turn out great. Okay, now we're just gonna pat it dry, just to look at the shoe again, see if there's anything else that I need to touch up before putting it on the dryer, letting it dry completely. I do see that this color looks pretty good, but the toe, the actual toe is still dark, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but we'll find out. All right, the final step is gonna be cleaning these laces. I did clean the entire upper, I cleaned the entire shoe. We're gonna go ahead and let these dry right after I clean these laces, and then we'll show you the results in a few minutes. How's it going, guys? We're back. These are dry, they're clean, they look awesome. I'm actually really happy with how they turned out. One thing to note though, I did use our new mink oil that will be coming out soon. After cleaning these with the solution and the brush, this material here, this section got pretty light. So we had to kind of reset the nap and then bring some color back with the mink oil. But overall, they look really good. Let me show you these here. Also, if you want to buy these shoes, we are going to sell them at Mini Worlds. You can click the link below. We're going to sell them at a discount since they are used and they have been cleaned for a video. So first come, first serve there, but check it out. Overall, they look really good. The material is slightly different on some here. It's not quite as buttery as it was. I might be able to do some dry brushing and get that a little bit better, but overall they look really awesome. I was concerned at first, but that's really gonna be it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have new videos coming out every week, at least twice a week. We're gonna have more coming for you. Make sure you check out Vic Almighty and Johnny Bubbles. Peace.